This is you. This is the online commercial creative that you're designing. There's a spot right here that just begs for an attention-grabbing image. You're thinking, a great-looking model holding the latest technical gizmo. You find the perfect image online on an image licensing site. Are you all set? Hold it. Trick question. This is image rights explained visually. Everyone in business knows that you have to license images for commercial use. You can't just copy something and put it in your ad or website. You license use of the image from the rights holder, such as a photographer or stock photo agency. But there are at least 3 more rights holders involved in this image, potentially in any image. Just remember this phrase: models, marks, and designs. First, models. A person who's recognizable in an image controls the use of their likeness. It's their privacy and publicity that are affected. Permission to use their likeness is obtained through a model release. They're releasing that right to you. Next, marks. Companies control their commercial symbols, their marks, like trademarks and service marks. Words can be trademarked. Names of products and services frequently are. Visual symbols can also be registered as marks, like logos on sport gear. If the image you use displays a company's mark, you need permission from the company to use it. Last, designs. Image rights also apply to the design of objects. The designer of a chair or a swimsuit or even a building can decide whether they can be used in an image or not, so you might need their permission as well. If you use an image for commercial purposes without securing all of these rights, the person, the company, or the designer could pursue legal action against you. Big trouble, big expense. If you didn't create the image in the first place, tracking down these rights is complicated. Each right may be held by separate people or companies. So what do? Well, if there's a chance of rain, do you take along an umbrella? Sure, small effort, easy payoff. Professional image licensing firms like Corbis, Getty Images, iStock Photo and Shutterstock offer various umbrellas and content expertise to keep rights claims from raining down on you. The technical term is indemnification. It sounds complicated, but it's actually simple. Part of your fee to a licensing firm is used to guarantee that these rights, the releases, are obtained. If the licensing firm messes up, the claims rain down on them, not you. In other words, they take the risk of stormy weather. Free images on the web, or on any licensing service without legal guarantees, leave you taking all the risk of getting soaked. So this is you, and this is the online commercial creative you're designing. This is the image that fits into it, and this is the umbrella that fits over it. Images, models, marks, designs, and umbrellas. That's image rights explained visually. Not so complicated after all.